Question number 11. Which Azure service is used for facial recognition and the emotional detection? Azure form recognition, it will recognize the form. So option A is incorrect. Azure Face API, this is used to identify face, image detection or video detection, right? Yeah, Azure Text Analytics, it is used to analytic the text. And Azure Language Service. Oh, I forgot what the question was. The question was Azure Service used to for the facial recognition and emotion detection. No, Face API. Where we have a Face API? Option B. Yes, Azure Face. Question number 12. The handling of unusual or missing value provided to an AI system is the consideration of the Microsoft principle of response. Means which responsible AI is used for the unusual or missing value provided by the AI system is the consideration. Means handle unusual or missing value. Inclusiveness, privacy and security, reliability and safety and transparency. Handling unusual or missing value provided by unusual and missing for that one reliability and safety. Inclusiveness include privacy that is related private and transparency is clear cut value we have so reliability and safety. I think yes. Our answer is correct. Question number 13. Workload type and answer. So, in this question, we have a right hand side, three statements are given, and for that, prox, we have a five workload type. So, which statement will match with statement of their workload type? So, correct first statement is the an automated chat to answer the question about the refund and exchange. That is the part of anomaly. No, anomaly detection is used to and behavior. Right. Computer vision is used to view the something, detect the object. Where conversation AI is used to uh, conversation between the user. That is something related to the question answering. So yes, conversation AI will be our first statement will match. Right. Determining whether the photo contain a person. That is a vision. There we have. Okay. So first one is the conversation. Second one we have as computer vision. Means first conversation AI will go here. Computer vision will go here. Now we have a determine whether a review is positive or negative. That is the language natural processing anomaly detection. No. Yes, language natural. So it will be. The first one is conversation is here, vision is here, and natural language processing will be natural language processing. Computer vision is here. Question number 14. You are designing an AI system that empower everyone, including the people who having hearing, visual or other impairments. This is an example of the which Microsoft guideline principle for the responsible AI. So everyone we need to include we cannot exclude everyone. This is the AI principle and this is the part of the inclusiveness. So correct answer is answer B. Question number 15. What is the supervised learning? Learning without labeled data, using human supervisor to monitor the model, learning a labeled training data, training only on the images. So supervised learning is the using human supervision to monitor the people. So for that, supervised learning is learning in which we can learn from the labeled training. That is the supervised learning. Right. So correct answer is option C. Question number 16. This is the question in which there is the principles and their statement means answer. So which statement fulfilling which principle? This is the question. So we have accountability, fairness, inclusiveness, privacy and security and reliability and safety. These are the five principles, AI principles. and right hand side we have a statement. Which statement is related to which principle? This is the question. So let's read one first statement. Ensure that the AI system operate as were originally designed and respond to the unanticipated condition and resist harmful manipulation. So, which condition is fulfilling? That it will not operated as the harmful, means it's not originally designed, and this is respond the anticipated, unanticipated condition and resist to harmful manipulation. This is the completely related to the reliability and safety. Where is implementing process to ensure the decision made by the AI system can be overridden by the human. That is the accountability. Because in accountability, it is the overridden. Who is the accountable for that? Right? And provide the customer with the information and control over the collection, usage and storage for their data. Means this is the related to the privacy and security. Right? So first one the reliability and safety, second one the accountability, third in the privacy and correct. If you want to know more about all these principles, then you can go for the principle AI principle video which I have created in the concept of the AI. You can go through that so that you can get the answer correctly for all the steps. Right? Question number 17. Which of the following is in Azure service for the natural language processing? Natural language processing in AI. Which one is Azure Community Series A? Option B Azure Text Analytics. Option C Azure Blob Storage. The Azure Monitor. Option A Azure Community Series. No, it's a community service. It's not related to the AI one. Option B Azure Text Analytics. Yes. Azure Text Analytics means we need to analysis all the text. So it's a part of the Azure AI. So option B is the correct. Option C, Azure Blob Storage is the blob storage is related to the storage of Azure. Means whenever we want to store any file, so we use the blob storage. So Azure Monitor it's used to monitor of the all the services what we are using of the Azure. So it's only for monitoring of those services. So correct answer is your option B, Azure Text Analytics. Question number 18. When developing an AI system of the self-driving car, the Microsoft for the responsible AI should be applied to ensure the consistent operation system during the unexpected circumstances. So, which principle we are so inclusiveness, accountability, reliability, and safety, fairness. Inclusiveness is used to include every people. So this is not the principle. Accountability means they are responsible. Yes, accountability, but it's not here. Means whatever we do, they will be accountable for that. But this is not the mainly part. Here, reliability and safety. Yes, this principle is they are using. So correct answer is reliability means AI is using for the self-driven cars. So safety and reliability, they are responsible for that. Principal AI principle will be reliability and safety. Question number 19. You are building an AI system. Which tasks should you include to ensure that the service meet the Microsoft transparency principle for responsible AI? A, B, C, D. So first of all, we need to know that what is the AI principle, responsible principle. So Microsoft responsible AI principle are the six, which is fairness, reliability and safety, privacy and security, inclusiveness, transparency and accountability. Right. So here it's talking about the transparency principle. So transparency means user and developer understand how the AI system works. Then clear documentation, explanation, and the guide are provided. That is the part of the transparency. The system is not black box. People know its capability and limitation. Right. This is completely the part of the transparency. And if you want to know about all rest of the principles, so for that you can go to my previous videos there where you will get all the AI principles. Definition with example means you can know about the what is the fairness, what is the reliability and safety, what is the principle of privacy and security, and inclusion and accountability. All these things I have explained with the examples. So if you want, then you can go with it. But right now in this question, we are talking about the transparency. So transparency means the user and developer understand how the AI system works. Right now, option A is talking about the ensure the visual have text for a screen reader. Right. This is something related to the inclusiveness, right? Because ensure visuals means what we have, that is the visual have a text for the screen reader that is related to reader. So this is the part of the inclusion. Option B, enable auto scaling. This relate to the reliability and performance, not the transparency. Option C, provide document. Yes, this is the match of the transparency because documentation help the developer and user to understand system behavior. So correct answer is option C, whereas option D is ensure training data is representative. So this relate to the fairness, not relate to the transparency. So correct answer is option C. Question number 20. In this question, we have some definitions, means some anomaly detection, computer vision, machine learning, natural language processing. These are the words. Basis of that, there is the workload type. So workload type, their definition are there, like details are there, can say, like identify handwritten letter. So which identifying handwritten letter belongs to which one? Anomaly detection, computer vision, machine learning, or natural language. Same way, we need to identify all one, two, three, four, all four, which belongs to which one, right? So one is the first one is identify handwritten letter that we will read after some. Okay, let's talk about second one. Predict the sentiment of the social media posts. To say predict the sentiment of the social media post is a part of the natural language process, right? So that one is the mapped with natural language processing mapped with this one, right? Now identify the fraudest credit card payment. That is an anomaly detection. So this will go to right. Now we have a two. Predict next month twice sale. That is the part of the regression. So which one is the left? Computer vision. Computer vision will be mapped with the identify and understand.